Your MFMA Maple Sports Floor is the finest, most preferred indoor sports surface available. With proper care and maintenance, your MFMA Maple Floor will provide decades of excellent performance and unmatched beauty. Thanks to Mother Nature and MFMA's uncompromising manufacturing standards, your northern hard maple floor has the potential to outlast the building in which it is installed. Wood flooring will adjust to its environment. Before it is installed, MFMA maple flooring material is given plenty of time, often 2 weeks or more, to adjust to the room's normal humidity and temperature. After the wood has adjusted to the environment and become stabilized, the flooring is installed. Wood is naturally porous and can absorb and release moisture. If the humidity in your facility rises, your wood floor will absorb that moisture, causing it to expand. If the humidity falls, the floor will release moisture, causing it to shrink. Your MFMA maple floor has been installed by an MFMA contractor in a way that lets it tolerate nominal expansion or shrinkage from changes in humidity. Most installations include expansion voids around the perimeter and columns or floor inserts and expansion joints in the floor surface. These permit natural expansion and contraction without damage to the floor. Too much moisture in the wood floor will cause the strips to expand and become unusually tight. This can cause cupping or buckling. On the other hand, in very dry conditions, the floor will shrink. This results in separations between the flooring strips. You can avoid such problems by following these simple rules for maintaining your MFMA maple floor. Prevent exposure to water, moisture, or dampness of any kind. Moisture causes more damage to wood floors than anything else. Always remember that water and wood floors do not mix under any circumstances. Your facility should be equipped with heating, ventilation, and possibly air conditioning or humidity controls. Monitor your HVAC mechanicals year-round, particularly during the humid summer months, to make sure that the indoor humidity stays between 35% and 50%. And that the indoor temperature is set between 55 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. It is important to maintain these conditions all year long. That's why the HVAC should never be shut down when the floor is not in use. Keep all expansion joints and voids clear of debris of any kind so that the floor has plenty of room to expand and contract. If you are moving heavy objects across your floor, protect it. Lay half-inch sheets of plywood to protect the surface and to distribute the weight over a larger area. Another kind of damage can result from point loads, such as high heels. They concentrate weight in a small area or point, which can dimple the surface. High heels and other point loads should be prohibited from unprotected maple flooring. If your facility has rolling bleachers, the floor has been engineered to support them. But it is important to keep casters and bleacher wheels clean and properly lubricated to avoid damaging your floor. Entrances and exits are high traffic areas which require special protection. Floor mats or runners help reduce wear and keep dirt and moisture from being tracked onto the floor. Daily maintenance is easy and absolutely essential to the well-being and long life of your MFMA Maple Sports Floor. There are 5 simple steps for proper care of your MFMA Maple Floor that should be practiced daily. 1. Always sweep the floor with a properly treated dust mop up to 3 times per day when the floor is heavily used. This keeps it free of dust, grit, sand, and other abrasive particles that can grind away the finish. Consult with your MFMA contractor for the kinds of cleaning materials and accessories which are made for the finish on your floor, and don't use anything else. 2. Always monitor temperature and humidity daily, especially during the humid summer months. Make sure that your HVAC mechanicals are set and functioning properly. 3. Always inspect all areas of the floor, including the perimeter, for signs of unusual tightening or shrinkage. Report any abnormality to your MFMA contractor right away. During wet weather, check for water leakage or dampness, particularly around doors and windows. 4. Always wipe up spills immediately to prevent stains. 5. Always remove heel marks using an approved floor cleaner applied with a soft cloth, a lamb's wool applicator, or a dusting mop. Remember to check with your MFMA contractor to make certain that the cleaner is compatible with your floor's finish. That's all there is to daily maintenance. Remember, always report any suspected problems to your MFMA contractor immediately. There are 3 things which you should never do while caring for your MFMA Maple Sports Floor. 1. Never use household cleaning products or procedures. They can be harmful to the floor's finish and to the wood. And they could also be harmful to athletes using the floor by making it sticky or slippery. 2. Never use power scrubbing machinery which uses water under pressure. Remember, water is your floor's worst enemy. 3. Never attempt to modify or repair your MFMA floor without first consulting your MFMA contractor. So you see, there's nothing complicated or difficult about daily maintenance. Annual screening and recoating is recommended, depending upon usage, to keep your playing surface in top condition. This involves the careful removal of the very top layer of finish, touching up court lines where needed, and recoating the floor with a new playing finish. The process requires experience, plus the proper materials and equipment. The Maple Flooring Manufacturers Association strongly recommends that it be performed by your MFMA contractor. Approximately once every 10 years, it will be necessary to completely resurface your floor. This involves precision sanding down to clear wood, resealing, repainting all court lines and other markings, and finally applying the new floor finish. Your MFMA contractor is a professional sports flooring expert who can resurface your floor exactly as it should be. He will also perform the work according to a schedule that works best for you. Your contractor can provide you with helpful reminders and technical literature to make maintaining and caring for your floor easy and rewarding. Ask your contractor for these free materials today. Remember, your MFMA contractor is your best source for service, assistance, advice, and answers to your questions about proper care and maintenance for your MFMA Maple Sports Floor.